Welcome to Cool Happenings. Everything I find cool and amazing. Your one-stop channel for all your accessible tech solutions.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hello everyone, hello. This is Jazilyn from Malaysia. I am here to deliver a podcast with the demonstration how to create your own iPhone ringtones using the latest version of iTunes, which is iTunes from Windows 10 itself. Okay, first of all, in front of me, which is a Windows tablet running on Intel Pentium. So because of the sound quality, so I already plug an external speaker to volume up the voice. So I hope everyone could hear me well. And there are few things have to take notes before I begin. First of all, for you guys using Windows, make sure to use NVDA running on iTunes. This is the first. And second, the maximum length for a ringtone, which is a M4R file for the Apple, are 40 seconds. So if you have a ringtone which is up to 39 seconds, then should be okay. And this is what I am going to do. I am going to show you how to do it. So first of all, I already create a M4R, which is the AAC file, AAC MPEG, using iTunes by adding a file to the iTunes library and press the convert button on the iTunes, which is very easy, and I am going to show you how. Okay,
voice memos,
there you go.
Voice memos, card overlay, half screen, button. Adjust the size of the overlay. Speech off.
Okay, I'm going to launch iTunes.
Start Windows, blank, all apps list, iGrouping, iTunes. iTunes window, text unavailable, music introduction, music.
Okay, so on the iTunes, I am at the iTunes home screen where music introduction, which I don't have any music inside. So what I have to do, if I want to do some music conversion, all I have to do is pressing alternate plus F.
View submenu then.
View submenu, and I am going to look for convert submenu. Oh, sorry. Add file to library.
Add folder to add file to library. CTRL plus O.
Control plus O. Okay, there you go.
Add to library dialog, file name, combo box collapsed, file name, edit alt plus N, blank,
So
edit alt plus N, blank.
So when you browse the file, actually the default location is on the iTunes, on the music itself. But anyway, since I already got the file and I am not going to do it, and if you didn't have any of the file which is in the AAC format, so from here you can browse the file that you want. Either is an MP3 file or whatever to convert to the AAC. So okay, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, there you go. Let me browse the file.
Item 3 view level 2 documents collapsed 1 of 1.
Okay, now I already changed my location all the way to the document because just now I converted my music. So I am going to find a file.
Items view list. Audacity not selected. Not custom office.
No.
Ever check row. Christine Welch million possibility.mp3 check row. One
Okay,
column
I'm
4
going
of
to
9.
do this one. There you go.
iTunes window.
The file is in the library, so I am going to convert to the AAC.
Play button.
Let me play. Oh, couldn't play. I forgotten.
No artists list. Level 1 all artists 1 of 1. Albums table. List track number. Show action menu but albums table. Show action. List track number. Contact add to play next step play Christine Welch million possibility.
Okay, I'm going to try play. There you go. So this is a 37 second song. 37 second, which I can make it as a ringtone.
iTunes
Okay.
window, albums table.
To play it, you just have to press the application key and find the play button. That's all.
Show action menu button. Contact add to playlist sub menu.
Or you can press the show
iTunes
action
window,
menu
albums
on the
table.
iTunes and you can play it. So now I am going to convert it to AAC.
Albums table. Show action menu list.
Okay, I am come all the way to the list.
Previous button. Albums table. Show action list. Context met edit close window C add full burn library sub menu B.
I am going to find convert submenu,
Devices home sharing sub menu M.
which is the same command, alternate plus F.
Open subscribe to show and convert sub menu T. Create
Okay,
iPod or
there you
iPhone
go.
version unavailable I. Create iPad or Apple TV version unavailable N. Convert IP3 tags C. Create IC version C.
Okay, this is what I want to do. Convert it to AAC. If I press it, and it will be an AAC file which appear on the what is this called? Appear on the music, and then iTunes, and then unknown album. If I press, it will be a file stored here, and I can just delete everything on my iTunes library, which I am not going to do it. So I just go out from here.
iTunes window, albums table list, new sub menu N. iTunes dialog, are you cancel? Do not delete some cancel button Alt plus delete song button Alt plus S.
Okay. Okay, now I am going to show you how to put your converted ringtone to the iPhone. So let's begin by going to my iPhone. So I already have my iPhone ready for it.
iTunes window, up next button, search button, iPhone button,
Okay, there you go.
back button,
Okay, so now I am at my iPhone. So I'm on my iPhone. Let me press a first tab.
iPhone radio button checked,
Okay, here you go.
iPhone edit,
This is all my iPhone information.
eject button,
Okay, the third tab will be a eject button. If you press it, then you can unplug.
64 GB graphic,
Okay, here you go. Fourth tab will be my iPhone graphic.
battery 72%,
Okay,
charging,
this is all my iPhone information. When I first go to the iPhone and press tab for 5 times. So, okay, the next one. Tab one more time. Tab number 6.
device sidebar tree view, summary 2 of
Okay.
19 level 1, device sidebar tree view,
Okay, when I come to my device, by default it will be a device summary where you can see everything on your device and how much you already used. So I am not going to stay here, and I will be arrow down to the list of number 17, which is the tones.
Movies 4 of 9. TV. Podcasts. Photos 7. Info 8 of 19. Level 1. File sharing 9 of music 11. Movies 12 of TV shows. Podcasts. Books 15. Audio books 16 of 9. Tone 17 of 19. Level 1.
Okay, there you go. This is section 17 from the list. The first one is the summary, so the tones will be number 17. So I am going to stop here, and I am going to press tab for 2 times to go all the way to the place where I paste my ringtone. You know, it really works as a thumb drive by itself. You know, this iPhone device after the brand new iTunes. So I still have to point up here, this is the iTunes directly from the Microsoft Store, and this is the iTunes for Windows 10. So I am going to press tab for 2 to go to the list.
Tones header grouping tones. Shuffle all button. Show action menu button.
Okay.
Tones preview.
Okay, I have to press for 4 times all the way from the list all the way to the shuffle, and to the group, to the shuffle, and to the action menu, and all the way to the list. Okay, because this list is completely empty now, so I couldn't see anything. And I'm going to copy something and paste it here. And definitely, I promise you, it work. You know, I will show you either it work or not. You don't have to done what you previously done by synchronize all your ringtone in one tab. You know, you don't have to do it. You just have to copy and paste it. Okay, couldn't believe what I say? So I do it now. I am going to file a AAC. No, not AAC anymore. M4R file, which is I converted just now.
Documents row 1 column 2.
Okay,
Documents
there you
window.
go.
Items view list. .m4r check row 1 column 8 of 9.
Okay, I have this M4R file here, so let me copy. And I am going to paste it at the iTunes where I show you the list of the tones just now, which is the list is empty.
iTunes window. Tones preview.
Okay. So now from the screen reader announcement, as you can hear, the tones list is completely empty, and I am going to paste here. There you go.
Paste.
Okay, done. So I am going to try play it on the iTunes itself to see either it work or not.
Time 0:37 1 of 1 level 1.
Okay, there will be a time showing here 1 of 1, which is I only have 1 ringtone in the list. So I am going to play it by pressing application key.
Play. P.
Play.
iTunes window.
So there you go. Okay, there you go. So now from what I can see from the iTunes, already exported successfully. But to see the result, either it work or not, I will have to show you is that the tones appear on my iPhone setting. So now I am going to show you, is that true? Okay, there you go. Let me open my iPhone.
3:59 p.m. One notification. Settings. Heading.
Okay. My let me volume up.
74% battery power. Charging. Status bar item. Swipe down with 3 fingers to reveal notifications. Swipe up with 3 fingers to reveal the control center. Double tap to scroll to top.
Okay. So now I am going to see, do my ringtone being exported successful? Okay, let's find out.
Notifications. Sound. Do not sounds. Selected. Settings. Back button. Ringtone. Opening. Text tone. Ringtone. Selected. Sounds. Back. You belong with me. Selected. Opening.
一曲相思，
Okay, there you go. Let me play.
Selected.
一曲相思。
这人生有几何？把这去日过多，往事讨一杯相思喝。当我这回爱上曾经执着，心只念你一个，那么可能是的情了。浊酒一杯，余生不悲不喜，我去爱恨别离，一路纵马去珍重，一曲相思，如江水与山河，再有三峡走过，悠然如梦这花日做。
Okay, so my mission has completed. So this is how it worked. And this should be the end of my podcast for today. So hope to see you guys again and thanks for listening to me. Okay, so goodbye for now.
Duration. Pause.